Welcome back to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are learning a very gentle phrase that people use when they are not feeling completely healthy.
A phrase about health, is it a medical word?
Not quite, the phrase is under the weather.
Under the weather, like standing outside in the rain without an umbrella.
That is a great visual. Hundreds of years ago, sailors on ships used this phrase. If the ocean weather was bad and a sailor felt sick, they would go under the deck of the ship to rest away from the storm.
I understand, so they were literally hiding under the weather to feel better.
Exactly. Today, if you say you are feeling under the weather, it simply means you feel slightly sick. It usually means a cold, a headache, or just feeling very tired.
Can I use it for a serious illness, like if I break my arm?
No, it is generally only used for mild illnesses. If you break your arm, you go to the hospital, but if you just have a little cough, you are under the weather.
That makes sense. Can you give me an example of how to use it at work?
Absolutely. Imagine you wake up with a sore throat. You do not want to give your coworkers your germs.
I would need to call my boss and stay home.
Right, you would call your boss and say, "I am feeling a bit under the weather today, so I am going to rest at home."
It is a very polite and professional way to say I am slightly sick.
Spot on. Let us look at a social example. Your friend invites you to go to a loud, busy concert, but you have a headache.
I would want to stay in bed and watch a movie instead.
You could text your friend, "I am feeling under the weather tonight, so I think I will stay home and sleep."
That is a great phrase. Let us practice the pronunciation.
The heaviest stress is on the word, weather, under the we either.
Under the we either, I am feeling under the weather.
Flawless, your intonation is very natural. Now, let us test your health knowledge with our expanded, 3-part quiz.
I am ready, give me the medical scenarios.
Scenario 1, you are eating dinner at a restaurant and you suddenly realize you forgot your wallet at home. Are you under the weather?
Definitely not, I am stressed and embarrassed, but I am not physically sick.
Correct. Scenario 2, you wake up, your nose is running, you are sneezing, and you feel very tired. You decide to drink hot tea and stay in bed.
Yes, I have a mild cold. That is the absolute perfect time to say I am feeling under the weather.
Spot on. Scenario 3, you are playing soccer and you fall down. You look at your leg and your bone is completely broken. An ambulance comes to take you away.
No way, that is a major medical emergency. Under the weather is only for small sicknesses.
You nailed every single question. You have a fantastic grasp of this useful idiom.
Thank you, I am glad I am not under the weather today because this was a great lesson.
Brilliant usage. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and keep practicing.